Okay, this is the Ryobi pole gun. It'll be in the description, but this thing's great. It extends about 18 feet. And I'm doing a screen enclosure today, so this is going to help quite a bit. All right, let's get started.
Okay, as you can see, this screen enclosure is very nasty. It hasn't been cleaned in a long time. All right, there's a pool in here, so using a ladder would be difficult, but I happen to have my Ryobi telescoping pole for my pressure cleaner. And this thing works great. I could do everything from the ground and not have to worry about getting up on a ladder. I've already started the pressure cleaning, so you'll start to see some areas.
Today we're going to pressure clean this screen enclosure, and then we're going to replace all these screens. So now we've cleaned these up. This whole section's cleaned up with the pressure cleaner. Got a lot of work to do. Let me get to it. Okay, with this one now I'm using the pole. And this is that Ryobi pole. Great to do these. Using the power blaster tip. As you can see, the screen's already damaged, so I'm getting this all done before we rescreen. As you can see, it gets it real nice. Don't have to get on a ladder. You can see the difference to where I haven't hit it yet and to where I have. Alright, let me get this done.
Well, now it's all completed. And man, it really came out well. I'm surprised myself. All right, building with Papa. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Give me a thumbs up if you can. All right, I will see you on the next one.